Hi everybody, sorry about the cat here. This is an unboxing video. Now I got this for Christmas last year. This is a Sonic Blue Xbox Series controller. Very nice controller. I really love the grips in this. It's very nice grips. You can see here it's got the nice, so it's very nice. So I got this today. I've just got this. This is the first unboxing. It's a Beboncool charger kit with two 2550 mAh battery packs. So you get two of these. Recharge. It's got 3 years support, 3 charging ways. And so let's have a look, and you can see here this is what you can charge it on the original Xbox One, S and X, X1, Xbox One, and the Series controller. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. As you can see here, would you open it? Here's the flap here. Okay, so this must be the this is the charging kit pad. So dual charger battery and it's a 5 volts. You got a USB in the back here. And 2 slots for your batteries. So let's have a look at the batteries. These are the batteries. Okay, this is what they look like. 2500. So let's try one in the back. These are the batteries I've been using on. Okay, so just figuring out how to put these in. Right. Okay, so right, I see. Yeah. Okay. And these go on like that, like so. So you can see here, that's them in. So let's put one in the charger. And put the other one in the charger too. This is the other one for the charger. And as you can see in the top here, you have a high-speed charger there. You have a high-speed. You can charge in 3 hours with this on a USB-C and it has a mini USB here. I've got a USB-C on the back down there, so I'm going to get this charged, and you get a light to tell you when they're ready, and channel 1 here and channel 2 there. So I'll come back when this is charged. So let's get this all charged up. So I'm just going to point this here. So I've just plugged this into USB. See, you've got the 2 lights there. So I'm just going to leave them to charge, and I'll come back and I'll show you them fully charged. See you soon. Hi everybody, I'm back here now, and as you can see here, it is now fully charged. We've got green lights on both batteries on the pack, so we're now ready to do some testing here. Now I have brought out my original Xbox controller and we're going to do some weight. I'm going to see how they are and the weight, okay? Just bring them here. Right. As you can see, I've got my so first of all, let's switch the scale on. Original Xbox without, that's 243 grams. Okay, and I'm going to take that again, and I'm just going to put, and this is with standard AA batteries. That is 291 grams. So, and next, so I'm just going to get my new battery. I'm just going to get the batteries from the Beboncool ones. That's them in the original Xbox, and they fit in the back too. So let's see. Well, they're slightly heavier. I've got 300 grams in this. Next we go to the origin. Next we go to the S. The series controller, the new series controller. It's slightly heavier at 244 grams with the batteries, with the conventional AA batteries. Okay, I'm gonna. They are 200. They're 291, 292 grams. Okay, and with the Beboncool batteries inside, uh, 302, I'd say. Yes, 302. So, as you can see, they make the batteries a lot. They make the batteries a lot. The controller a lot heavier, but they do last a long time. They last over 24 hours of play, so which is pretty good, and they charge from flat within 3 hours on a USB-C. So thanks for the unboxing, and I'll see you around.